In this video, we will be solving this question which says find the equation of the tangent plane and the normal line to the surface fxy is equal to x square plus y to the power 4 plus e to the power xy at point 1, 0, 2. Now note that when the function is evaluated at the point 1, 0, that is, your function takes the value 1 square plus 0 to the power 4 plus e to the power 0, which is 1. So that is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So your function takes the value 2. The given point lies on the graph of the function itself. So let's first differentiate the function with respect to x, which is 1. That would be 2x plus e to the power xy multiplied by y, and differentiating the function with respect to y, which is basically the second variable. So that would be 4y cube plus e to the power xy multiplied by x. And now let's evaluate these partial derivatives at the point 1, 0. So your partial derivative with respect to the first variable, which is x, is 2, and the value of partial derivative at point 1, 0 with respect to the second variable, which is y, is 1. And we know that the tangent plane to function at a point x0, y0, z0 with z0 is equal to fx0, y0 has the equation z minus z0 is equal to f prime 1 x0, y0 x minus x0 plus f2 prime x0, y0 y minus y0. Now here your x0, y0, z0 is 1, 0, 2, and your f prime 1 x0, y0 is 2, and f prime 2 x0, y0 is 1. Now substituting all the values in this equation, the equation of the tangent becomes z minus 2, 2 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by y minus 0, which is z minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 2 plus y, or 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Now we have to also find the normal line to this surface, which has the equation x0, y0, z0 plus t, gradient of function at the point x0, y0, z0. Now how will you calculate the gradient? The gradient would be derivative of function with respect to x, partial derivative of function with respect to y, and partial derivative of function with respect to z. So this is your function, and when you differentiate this function with respect to x, you will get 2. So this is 2. Partially differentiating this with respect to y will give you 1. And partial differentiating this with respect to z would be minus 1. And since these are constant, you don't have to evaluate these at the particular points, or rather they would be taking the same value at the particular points. So the gradient at x0, y0, z0 is 2, 1, minus 1. Hence your normal line is 1, 0, 2 plus t, 2, 1, minus 1, or 1 plus 2t, t, 2 minus t. This is the equation of the normal line to the surface. Now moving on to the second part, consider the national income model described by the three equations. So your first equation is y is equal to c plus I0 plus G0. Y is equal to alpha plus beta, y minus t, where alpha is greater than 0 and beta is between 0 and 1. Your t is equal to gamma plus delta y, where gamma is greater than 0 and delta is between 0 and 1. Your y is the national income, c is consumption, I0 is investments, G0 is public expenditure, and t is the tax revenue. And we have to find del y, del I0, and the partial derivative of y with respect to G0. Now we have given that y is equal to c plus I0 plus G0, and c is further a function of y and t, and again t is a function of y. Let's put the values of c and t, which will give me y is equal to alpha plus beta y minus t plus I0 G0. So here I have substituted first for the value of c, and now let's substitute for the value of t, which is gamma plus delta y. So that would be y is equal to alpha plus beta y minus gamma plus delta y plus I0 G0. Now simplifying this, I will get that y is equal to alpha plus beta y minus beta gamma minus beta delta gamma plus I0 G0. Now here y is equal to alpha plus beta y minus beta gamma minus beta delta y plus I0 plus G0. Taking all the values with y on the left hand side, I get y minus beta y plus beta delta y is equal to alpha minus beta gamma plus I naught G naught. Taking y common, I get y multiplied by 1 minus beta multiplied by 1 minus delta is alpha minus beta gamma plus I naught G naught, or y is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus beta 1 minus delta alpha minus beta gamma plus I naught G naught. And now we have to differentiate this with respect to I naught and G naught. That is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus beta multiplied by 1 minus delta. So your partial derivative of y with respect to I naught is 1 divided by 1 minus beta multiplied by 1 minus delta. Similarly, your partial derivative of y with respect to G naught is again 1 divided by 1 minus beta multiplied by 1 minus delta.